Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Dorado, local and long distance movers near me. A move over 50 miles from your current location is a long distance move. The moving truck plays a vital role in long distance relocation. With strong, well maintained, and spacious trucks, there's a reduction in damage to items. At 3 Movers, we have the best moving trucks. They're in excellent condition, and so they do not break down when transporting heavy objects over long distances. Our trucks also protect the items in transit. Local moves are also what cover a distance of fewer than 50 miles. 3 Movers offers fast and dependable local moves. We have a track record of organizing the most rapid moves, and our local moves are quick, but they are also detailed and satisfactory. When you reach out to 3 Movers, we respond to your calls promptly. Our moving rates are also very affordable. We have a primary goal of giving locals access to the best moving services at cheap rates. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Dorado moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.